So after using the iPhone 13 Pro for about a month, I'm very pleased. I like the size actually. It's not very big, and also it's very quick, which I'm very happy about. So I'm very pleased with the iPhone 13 Pro, and I would actually recommend it for anyone. Okay, so I'm using the Apple iPhone right now to use the cinematic mode on my camera, and I'm just going to compare this to the S21 Ultra. So this is the cinematic mode on the Apple iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, I'm walking outside and I'm using my Samsung S21 Ultra, and this is what they call the portrait video, which is similar to the cinematic video on the Apple iPhone. I'm just wondering how this compares to the Apple iPhone. This is cinematic mode of the iPhone 13, so you can see me, but the background is blurry and the sun is shining on me.